So ugly. I hate it. Like, I hate everything about it. It has no shape. It's dead. Here is completely burned, the entire thing.
Yeah, this whole
I
thing.
don't know what, like, she even burned my scalp. I need pictures so I can see what you expect.
You just told me do whatever you want.
Okay, do whatever you want. Okay.
You want me to do what I want, or you
Yeah,
want me to do
خلاص.
what you want? Because with a cut, I'm just gonna go with the flow. I have no idea yet. I'm gonna start cutting, and see where my hands takes me. Usually when I have this situation, I go in with no plan. I cut a little bit, then I look at you, then I adjust. Then I look at you, then I adjust. So you,
Sounds like a plan.
okay? So my plan is no plan.
Good.
It will come up while I'm cutting. All right?
Okay.
What happened here?
Long history.
Well,
You want the long version, the short one. Okay.
Because last time you walked out of here, you had a beautiful color.
I know.
I know you were trying to text me, and you went and you did something somewhere else.
Basically, the haircut and color was fine, all good.
Okay.
Then, because you are fully booked all the time.
What do you mean? After we
Yeah.
finished your color last time?
Yeah, it's fine. It was like 2 months. Or
Okay,
something.
then
it was all good.
Okay,
but I
then
needed to refresh
you needed
the
to do a
cuts.
toning.
I needed to refresh the cut and the color, but
Okay.
I was not here.
Okay.
I was in. I tried to see you, but then you were overbooked, and I traveled the next day anyway. Went to Istanbul.
Okay.
And I was like, I'm so tired of dyeing my hair over and over again. Why should I just go dark?
Okay.
And then I did black. It was so ugly. And he didn't know how to refresh my cut. He did this boy cut, like where he
Yeah,
cut everything in here. And here was like bulky. Anyway, like I hated the cut and the color. I came to Dubai 5 days later and I could not wait until I see you. I bleached the hair.
Okay. So you
get-
couldn't wait the first time, so you went black. Then you couldn't wait the
Yeah,
following time.
Because I
Then
had
you went and you bleached.
I had a very important event with work,
Okay.
and I cannot go with black. It was so ugly. I
Okay.
looked like a vampire. It's so
Okay.
bad. Yeah, and then I bleached, and then you can see orange again. Then I tried to go darker. It goes orange again. And the last lady I saw, she did a treatment on my hair. I don't know what she did wrong, but look at this.
It's burned.
She burned it completely.
With fine hair, if they use a treatment with a flat iron, they burn it. So the treatment
Yeah.
becomes a disaster more than helping
But
the hair.
here it's like here, you see here?
Yeah.
Here is completely burned, the entire thing.
Yeah, this whole
I don't
thing.
know what, like she even burned my scalp when she was doing the treatment. I don't know what went wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, so now I want to stop everything, to be honest.
okay.
No more hair colors, no more hair cutting. I want my curls back. I want my natural hair back.
It's too late, my friend.
No, I don't care how short you want to go and what's the steps you want us to take. But I need to get rid of all of this somehow. Do whatever you want. I have no pictures. I have nothing. Just do whatever you want. I just don't want this color. And I want the damage to be fixed somehow. I don't know. I wanted to ask, I know that it's very difficult with my hair now, but if we go like very short to remove the damage, is there any possibility we can do a style that I can just wash and no heat, no styling, nothing? Like I have my curls are coming up slowly.
You have naturally very curly hair, yeah?
And I want my curls back. I'm done with this treatments.
Yeah, the thing is when you go short, like this length, and the roots are curly and the ends are straight, you see what's happening here?
This was gonna happen.
You're gonna look like your hair is.
No, I'm gonna keep
Like that.
coming here. You keep
Yeah,
making
but
it
keep
short
coming is not
until-
gonna fix it. We have to be sure that we mix between short and long. The long one is manageable to blow dry a little bit, and the short one is where we remove all the burned hair. Then we let the short hair to grow, but by the time the short hair grow, the longer one is covering that. I cannot go short everywhere. If I go short everywhere, you're gonna hate it. If I leave it long like now, you're gonna hate it. So I have to do short in the hidden areas, cover it with the longer parts.
Yeah.
So most probably I will go
Extremely damaged.
really short around the ears,
Yeah.
really short at this part here.
Yeah.
This part here, I'm gonna all shorten it. It's gonna
boy
still,
cut?
it's gonna still stick out.
Look, what I'm saying, like now I don't even mind to like wet my hair and put some kind of styling cream to keep it where it is.
In place, yeah.
I just don't want to use any heat. I don't want to use any color anymore. I just want to let it, you know.
I do understand.
So I don't mind to have this wet style, but I have just to put some cream on it to fix it.
That would work on the short areas, but even if you try to do a wet style on the long parts, on the
will not
parts,
curl.
it will not curl. So
I know.
I need to cut almost this much from the top and connect it a little bit with the sides, the crown, and then everything under, do an under haircut and clean it. I will go gradually with you with the haircut.
And I promise I will not touch my hair if you're busy. I will just put like a scarf
Well, the
on
last
it.
time you had a beautiful hair when you walked out of here.
Yeah.
I gave you an amazing color, amazing cut.
Yeah.
But this is what happened when
I need flexible
you run out of
appointments.
patience.
I need flexible appointments. You know, if I travel for a long time.
So the color, I can shift you back to something closer to your natural. Dark ash blonde. Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
The only problem with dark ash blonde on burned hair that it looks dead. So maybe go chocolate. Go warm.
Do whatever you want.
That will, you get a light skin that will give your face a nice color. Last time you wanted me to go ash, I went ash. But let's go chocolate today.
Do whatever you want.
Chocolate is healthy. The damage will not look annoying and it's gonna give a nice color to your face.
Whatever you want.
Okay.
It's your battlefield.
Okay, but I will show you what chocolate like so you
Yeah.
don't...
Just no black, please. I was like, it's dead. Should we just like... Psst. It's better. I swear it's better. This is red.
Yeah, it is. Chocolate is gonna have red to it. I can do dark ash blonde, but the hair will look like there's no life to it.
As long as it doesn't make me look super pale.
The ashier colors will gonna make you look pale.
Yeah. Because I tried so many times to have vibrant colors and they go ashy.
No, I'm not sure about that.
Yeah. So that's what they told me.
Maybe they didn't push you vibrant enough. Okay, let me cut it first, then we'll decide on the color.
I need flexible.
We run out of patience.
I need flexible. You know, if I travel for a long time. It's so ugly. I hate it. Like, I hate everything about it. It has no shape. It's dead. It's much better than I came in, so...
It's not just matter. I think it's actually looks good. Yes, it's much better. It has to look much better, but I think it actually looks good. So I added chocolate with hint of copper to. We go rich, we go properly rich, yeah. Otherwise, it's gonna turn this mid color which doesn't feel right. هلا اللي هون I did an undercut. So I kept this natural, I didn't touch it. I colored above this piece.
Okay.
So it doesn't feel like, because when this is very straight, though its ends very straight. So I shortened them as well, so they don't poke out like that.
Yeah, no,
Okay.
I like it.
This is the simplest way to target the short hair, to target the burned hair without going extremely short. Because the problem is your hair is very curly from the root. If I end up cutting even more, you will just gonna have things sticking out like that. Okay? So at least now you have a little bit of cute style at the front to frame the face. Try to style it the way you like.
Yeah, for me, I'm just like gonna try to,
Push down.
but it doesn't curl.
Yeah, because you've done a straightening
anymore.
treatment
But like this
after
is fine.
full bleach from black, so.
Actually,
But I managed to cut most of the burned one.
no, it feels good.
So what you have now, it is straight, but it's not burned. I removed literally all the burned one.
Yeah, for me it's just like, I think just gonna, I like it actually, it's not bad. Just gonna,
How is the shade?
I have to get used to it. I
Yeah.
never had this color before, but it's not, I like it actually. My face does not look dull anymore.
هيك خلي بالك.
Maybe
I
try
think the
to curl it a
warmth,
little bit.
the warmth. No, curling means you're gonna go back to doing
Burn it.
curling iron. Then you're gonna burn it more.
So just leave it like
Just leave it like that, please. Just use product, and it's cute on you. The color is beautiful.
I like it's
on the dark, but you can
white
see it on
yeah,
your
I
skin.
can see it. It doesn't look as dark and dull as it
Yeah.
was before.
Wear it for a month. Do not mess up with it. Let it wash out. Come back, and we'll do one more round of refreshing.
Okay, so I just don't touch it. Just wash
Do
it,
not
some
touch it,
cream,
please.
some oil,
Please.
and I leave it.
Please, yeah.
Okay. Right, actually. No, I try because it's.
You should learn. You should learn.
Actually, I want my hair to be this long. This
Yeah.
is my.
Yeah. With
So-
this habits, I don't. It's gonna take a while.
Let's work on it together.
Yeah.
It's your responsibility now.
If you let me handle it the right way, it will.
Yeah, but flexible appointment.
Next to شوي عليك.
شوية appointment. Not like a week later. I cannot do that.
يلا نعيمة.
تمام.